Mustache disguise tips, secret codes, an umbrella for spying, and gun shoes? Find out top secret spy life hacks in our new video. Blondie feels weird, like someone's watching her. This isn't where I left the remote. And what even is this? A TV show attracts Blondie's attention. There's a commercial for an international school of spies. If you want to master the art of instant disguise, then sign up. Our school will give you all the supplies and skills you need. Trace a paper mustache template on black felt. Cut it out. Break the arms off old sunglasses. Hot glue 2 pieces of fishing line to the felt mustache. Fasten the other ends of the fishing lines to the nose pads. Attach more fishing line to where the arms were. And hot glue the other ends to a cap. Attach a strip of felt inside the cap. Hot glue Velcro to it. Wrap the glasses and the mustache inside the cap and fasten them with a felt strip. Even your own mother won't recognize you in this cap, and you can easily check if a mustache looks good on you. Call and enroll in our spy school right now. Blondie immediately dials the number. Spy school works fast. Her mentor is already here, an espionage guru. The famous agent 00X will teach Blondie all the top secrets of Secret Service. Blondie, get ready to become Agent 0027. Your education starts now. The first lesson will be a lecture on the basics of good spying. Agent 00X asks Blondie for her phone, and she unblocks it even without the owner's finger. What's her secret? You have to think like a spy. Let's imagine that Blondie is just reading a book, and all of a sudden, a spy panda sneaks up on her. It puts the victim to sleep using hypnosis, and it takes Blondie's fingerprints with a special ring. Hot glue an empty glitter pot to a ring blank. Put in light clay. Coat the cap with white glue. Sprinkle it with glitter. Secure it using hairspray. Apply hot glue onto the light clay. Dip your finger into cold water and make an imprint. Now that the spy panda has a fingerprint in the ring, it can easily unlock the phone and post all of your ugly photos on Instagram. All the world's best spies have a ring like this. The espionage guru gives the ring to her student. The main rule of being a spy is to keep your fingers to yourself. Agent 0027 keeps learning. The next rule of being a spy is knowing how to quickly write a secret message. Anyone can write on paper, but only a real spy uses shoes. Color a pair of shoes with red acrylic paint. Make them brighter. Thread yellow shoelaces and make parallel lacing. Write letters on them to make words. The espionage guru shows off her code, size 8.5. Great ideas are always simple. Blondie decodes the message with a magnifying glass and follows the hint. A crucial rule of being a good spy is to act secretly and unexpectedly. No one expects a regular umbrella to actually be a flashlight and a spying tool. Cut out a paper sleeping mask template. Cut a rectangle out of clear plastic to fit the size of the mask. And 2 little strips. Open an old umbrella. Trace the mask template on it. Cut the bottom part. Hot glue Velcro to the plastic strips. Attach the other side of the Velcro to the umbrella under the mask. Cover the Velcro. Hot glue more Velcro on top. Attach the other end of the plastic strip to the cutout mask. Open the flap and attach the Velcros to the umbrella. Cover the hole with the plastic rectangle. Decorate the outside with foam rubber leaves to cover the Velcro. Break off the handle using flat pliers. Cover the cut with light clay. Make an imprint of the flashlight button on the clay and let it harden for 12 hours. Cut a tube of the right size. Put it onto the clay and stick in the flashlight. Hot glue it. Cover the joint with light clay. Color the tube with acrylic paint and coat it with clear nail polish. The flashlight turns on by pressing the handle. An umbrella like this is a must-have for spies. Let's imagine. Blondie's going on a walk and doesn't have a clue that someone's watching her. With this spy umbrella, you can sneak up as closely as possible. Boom! And the black and white monster is already on target. Blondie runs away terrified. It looks like the mission failed. Every self-respecting spy has to own a special weapon. It's a panda tamer with a laser. But there is an important spy rule. You have to disguise your weapon in your outfit. Blondie has an idea. Let's hide our gun in high heels. What a great plan, stylish spy! Cut the ramrod off a toy gun. Hot glue a laser pointer instead. Take fitting high heels. Make Velcro fasteners. Coat the guns with acrylic primer. Color them with blue paint to match the heels. Attach the guns to the heels using the colored fasteners. These shoes look amazing with gun heels. When the spy panda comes close, we can push it back. Aim the laser ray at the panda, and it quickly forgets about its cruel mission. Look how cute and fluffy it is! Blondie easily tames the panda. The next task for the spy is to decode an encryption. Come on, Blondie, use your brain. Look carefully. Just don't burn the evidence. It would be better if you used real 3D decoding glasses. Trace the rims on black cardboard. Cut them out. Cut out arms the same way. Hot glue cardboard glasses. Cut lenses out of blue and red plastic folders. Hot glue them to the cardboard glasses, red on one side and blue on the other. Write secret symbols in a note using blue and red markers. In order to see the message one color, look at it through the lens of the opposite color. Blondie puts on the glasses. Well, the only thing she can decode with them is her own nose. Put the glasses onto the paper, young spy, and read through them. Blondie decodes the message. Run, Blondie, run! The next rule of a good spy is to always bring your decoding glasses along. The next lesson for a spy is a healthy diet. What's better, a carrot or an apple? Blondie wants the apple. Wrong choice! Carrots are a spy's best friend. Take an EOS lip balm container apart. Lift up the grid with the balm. Wrap the EOS container in air-dry clay. Dampen the clay with water and shape it into a carrot. Make a stem and stick it into the carrot. Shape the details of the stem using a modeling tool. Make a cut so that the lip balm opens and add details. Color the carrot with acrylic paints after it dries. Coat it with clear nail polish. Open the lip balm and put in a note. Blondie has to find out the secret purpose of this carrot. It's not edible. Examine it carefully, Blondie. The student finds the cut and opens the carrot. It's EOS! Blondie quickly applies it to her lips. Wrong again! Not everything is as simple as it seems. The next rule of a good spy says there is always a double bottom everywhere. At last, Blondie finds the hidden note. Good job, young spy! The 8th rule of a good spy is always be lethally beautiful. Blondie gets interested in makeup. Our espionage guru prepared a special product just for her. How beautiful is this nail polish? Not at all. It's the main life hack of a night spy. We will make an inscription in the darkness. Take a strip of mirror cardboard to an empty vial. Cut glow bracelets and pour the liquid into the vial. Make inscriptions that glow in the dark using the brush. This invitation is amazing! With this glow paint, you can be a spy even underground. Blondie already knows the basics of Secret Service. She has a snow-white piece of paper and wants to stain it with tea. Her teacher masterfully manages to save it. Sensei, you have no reason to worry. I'm just trying to show you my tea method of decoding messages. Write a secret message on a piece of paper with white glue. Wait for it to dry. In order to see the message, cover the note with black tea. The decoding tea ceremony is a success. Our espionage guru is happy with her tea-healthy student. The most important spy rule is to never leave any fingerprints. Always put on finger cots when you're on a mission. Cut wax candles and take out the wicks. Add pink food coloring and melt them in a microwave. Cover your finger with a thick layer of hand cream. Dip it into cold water first and then into wax. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Dip it into the water the last time and smoothly remove the ready finger cot. Even out the edges. And then Blondie figures out that she's seen this device before. Everything started with it. It turns out that the spy panda snuck into her house and switched the TV to that exact show. It forgot the remote control on the couch. Now I see! Apparently, it was an advertising trick to lure Blondie into the spy school. Did you like our spy life hacks? Then write in the comments which spy device you will use for your secret mission. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new spy tips and tricks on Troom Troom.